This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jason Everett. His low-maintenance corner unit townhome is conveniently located on the beautiful Greenbrier Country Club. It features an open floor plan, 3 Bths and 3 Bths with a large primary ensuite, large living room, 1-car garage with multi-car driveway parking, brand new stainless steel stove, dishwasher, refrigerator, new LVT flooring all throughout oversized living room, new tile flooring in kitchen and breakfast area. Carpets in bedrooms have been professionally cleaned. Driveway and back patio concrete have just been pressure washed. For more information, review the details below.